Right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Nai Metro Bag. Can you hide the Metro Bag? We are professionals. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. Yes, welcome to our random unboxing. Let's move the camera a little bit because we do not want to show Aaron's crotch in this opening segment. So yes, we have Aaron there. Say hi, Aaron.
Hello.
Yes, Aaron decided to not purchase, pick up a box of Japanese Final Fantasy. So here we go. We're gonna open this live. Um, just to let our viewers know, we're not gonna we're not selling these. This is just a opening just for content. So I'm recording. We're good at we're good in Twitch is up. Also, a shout out to our friend of the channel, Andrew. He's in the back here somewhere, helping out with the we can multi stream because streaming in one place is not enough. All right, sige, start. We will put the hits over here, I guess.
Alright, so let's get started.
Okay. We will also be after rotation. We will probably have since my friends are not available. I'll probably have a small podcast on rotation.
Probably discuss like the sadness
Yeah,
of
that's
what's
the
leaving.
sadness of what's leaving. Exactly.
Such plenty sadness. And yes, the box is in Japanese.
The box is in Japanese, of course.
Alright, so
Alright, first pack.
let's get started.
First pack. We'll just get the one, get the rare, just get it out, or not really the rare, just go through the cards, I think. Then the rare, if it's a hit, we'll just leave it here. If it's not a hit, we'll put it back in the pack
In the
na
pack,
para dili kalas ang.
Yep.
Hello viewers watching. Hello Justin, good afternoon. Welcome to the stream. Hey good afternoon. You messaged about a judge question. You can just drop it here na lang, Just. Drop it here na lang sa chat. Wala mo chat siguro din sa Twitch. Hindi mo ko known.
Bago ko first time.
Hello Ray, thank you for watching. Thank you for dropping in. Justin, if you had a judge question, you can just drop it there in the chat. I'll answer it to you here live. What do you get?
Oh, Zach.
Uy, Zach na foil. This is actually good actually to this one.
Yeah.
It's signed Gilgamesh. Uy,
And the
Chocobo. Okay ra.
Hira.
Okay ra. Sige, we'll put the Chocobo there and si Zach over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so. Ay, okay. Alright. Well, a good first pack. It's fine.
Yep. Not bad.
Not bad. Sige. Ako lang sulit.
To the fact that you have to recognize the cards by their English names.
We
and
forgot
you
they're in Japanese.
Yep. I was like, what's
It
your
feels
name?
so
What's your
different
name? What's
in
your name again?
Japanese. Hi Jer, good afternoon. Thank you for joining the stream. Some pack openings. Ano problema din yun? Dili siya mo update din sa chat. The chat in the laptop does not refresh quicklier.
Quicklier. Alright.
Quicklier. Ay, ano?
Fat Chocobo.
Di lang kumutan na.
And
Oy, hi Jong. Thank you for joining us. Yamete Gudesai. Yes sir, you're correct. Yamete Gudesai. What do you get?
Car.
We got the Regales. The Lekar. I don't know who that is.
And a Japanese shoe pop.
Shoe pop. Okay, so 2 packs in. We have 28 more to go, so it's all
Yeah.
good.
Slowly but surely. Would have been different if it was 36 packs.
Okay. So Justin here, our good old Tito Justin needed a judge question. So it's very long. Litchi ka just, it's taas man na yung judge question. But it's all good. Okay. So Soulstone 1 is in play. Mag-feature siya, so no more summoning sickness. If player 2 played Soul Stone 2 and said activate the Soul Stone, you just drop, you can say no. Okay. In that scenario, Justin, it has to be very clear.
Ultima.
Ultima dibs.
I thought we weren't selling.
Ultima dibs. Dibs po. Di mo na selling kwan. Generous donation. Just in this scenario, if your opponent clearly placed a second soul stone during the turn, only one soul stone can attack. If soul stone 1 is in play, so mag-feature siya, no more summoning sickness. If ever player played soul stone 2 and said to activate the soul stone, he just drop, you can say no, it can't attack. Yes, correct, Justin. If a permanent enters that is not a creature, then becomes a creature on that same turn, still has summoning sickness. So no, it cannot attack yet. Let's put this out of frame. Hello Jao, thank you for watching. Dibs daan Jao.
I know,
Tifa.
he wants a Tifa.
He wants the Tifa.
I know.
Yes, Dibs!
Sisihin.
Wala na ko yung moral high ground. Punta tayo.
What is moral
That's a
high
rare.
Oh, that's rare. Yeah. What is moral high ground?
What is moral high ground? Moral high ground not important anymore. So I hope I answered your question, Just. Thank you so much for watching. Napaday ko ilain mabutangan sa TD. Non-getting there.
Okay.
Uy, Dibs.
Kaktuwa.
Dibs pulled foil off para love song duha ka book.
Kung
But naman ko din so ako'y makauna. Sorry, Jao. 6 viewers today. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Okay. Wastes.
Labad sa ulo kong Japanese, no?
Oh, it's a mythic.
Uy! So, yes!
You
Nice! Yes! I deleted.
No,
That's fine. That's the flip one, right?
It's
That's
the
the flip one.
Ragnarok.
Ragnarok. Sige lang, okay lang yapon. It's a kuan. Sige, go to the next one. Give me that pack. Kani, kuan ni siya. Libo kapin.
Yeah.
Pero mas cheaper ang Japanese cards for some reason. Thanks
It's
Tito,
because
Dibs Demon
It's
Wall.
because
No,
of translation.
no Justin. No Dibs Demon Wall. We need Demon Wall. Ay, Vince, thank you for joining us today, Vince. Thank you so much. Hi, Dibs Balatro. I mean Dibs Librum Legacy. Legacy. I think that's a red land.
It could be. Oh, look, it's an opera love song, but not
Ala.
foil, Jao. Not
Oh,
foil.
opera love song.
Dili lang
Jao,
foil.
opera love song. One lang. Sabot na ta later, Justin. Actually, okay ko anong Japanese. No, the Japanese
The
love song.
Japanese. They just mix all three.
Lisod siya. Dili maglisod kog hype ani sa imuha bro kay it's not in English.
Yeah.
Nice lang. Uy! Jao! Look at that, Jao! Mind me.
Okay. Rare.
Jao! Jao, magliso kag Dibs Jao na ako din eh.
Sa mukha, oy. Non-foil and foil in the same pack.
The same pack lang eh.
Ay. Sorry, Jao.
Sorry, Jao. Na-vulture niya. Kaka! In-anime ka na makabi og pack na nagi mga 1 or 2 people magtapad ba.
Unsay na?
Unsay na? Dibs.
Dibs.
Bahala kung for sale or dili mo
Wala
dibs.
pa gali siya kahuna-huna kung i-keep niya o dili. Dibs na dibs.
I trade English, bahala ka diya.
Mas rare or Japanese? Or?
Oh. Mas real, foil man siya.
Foil man.
Every pack has at least 1 foil man yata.
Na uncommon.
Ano sa ano?
Oh. Kani kusog staple man ni good gamit man kay ni siya sa current gameplay man good.
Yeah,
gamit siya na kay.
kayo.
That's why ga hunting me. Uy,
No,
mako.
Mako.
The red one day akong gipangita. The red inana.
Squall.
So, kitsa ganina?
Squall.
No. What card is this?
I forgot what his card actually.
Ay, wait. I delete it. I'm not sure.
I am unsure.
Actually, for rare no.
Yeah. I am unsure unsa iyahang
unsure.
gani. Sa
Nasa kami.
iyahang in universal card.
Gigamit ba ang Black Mage's Rod? Yes, gamit siya, sir. Ano ko yung extras just? Pwede natin ikatakan just.
Pero first dibs si Carlo.
First dibs. Ano nini? Kaka! Maghimo ko ganang magawas na kon ba na vulture. Kaka! Hello, Anson. Thank you for joining the stream. Hope na makaduwa ka finally. Uy, dibs ko ni. Dibs ko ni.
Yung dibs diretso.
Daka. Unya. We'll talk later. Which format? No, kay na ako. I'm planning to sell them. Okay.
Face magic.
Okay.
The wizard hammer.
Cornered
Combined
by
by
Black Mage Magic. When is Summoning Sickness exactly gone? Upkeep or beginning of turn Jer? Like mo
Excalibur.
tuyok pa siya. Excalibur?
Excalibur or
That's Excalibur. Oh. So, a permanent needs to see an upkeep Jer para mawala ang...
Look.
Wait.
What are the other two? Nothing.
No, this is
Well, you got two Excaliburs.
two Excaliburs.
That I'm sure you don't know what they do.
I don't know what they do. I don't play with.
We don't play with those weird cards.
It's good for EDH. I guess.
Dili ni selling Tito Fritz, and plus go away. I'm still mad about Saturday, you handsome man that you are. Kaning isa ka player gikulata kog mayo la Sabado naglain gid ang boat.
Wala pagyapon siya.
This is not selling Anson. I'll have to. This is not a selling
Open rear.
opening. Or maybe.
It is.
Or maybe.
Thunder magic.
Nice kuha.
I forgot what you are.
Bayuta gikadsawan to. 5 people asked selling ni. Tanang tagiyaw ask the owner.
Oh,
Uy, di ginapadulong sa ko. Iyahag.
Dili ginapadulong
Di
sa-
ginapadulong.
Dili.
Look at that Aerith, boy. Come on, boy. Look how pretty she is. Wait, what was that? What was the other one?
Commons.
Ay, okay. I think that's
Common.
okay. Look how pretty she is.
You
Look
want
at
to keep.
that. I don't buying the owner. Justin Malala. Look at that. Damn, look at that art. Oh, fuck me. Ay, sorry.
Alam.
Basta di mapunta ni Bob.
No, dili na mapunta kang ba.
Nice.
That Eric will look nice next to my Sephiroth card, Zhao.
Fuck you, Joe.
You know what? No, I'm just realizing ba, pwede every set mag-ipon, mag-hafta, palitag box.
Simta.
Nindot, this is good content. This is fun.
Other Zach.
Hello everyone, thank you guys for joining us today, both on Twitch and on what you call this, Facebook. We will share our Twitch here. Give it a follow. It would mean a lot to para makakaon akong editor. Ay shit, sabi na ako. Sephiroth.
Sephiroth na. Pero
Naay 3 cards na grabe ka mahal. Sephiroth, Vivi, and what's this gani?
Ano yun si Pero?
Sephiroth si wala din pero
dili na
o
siya.
kani si Cloud. Si Sephiroth kay mga 3,000 siya karon.
Makuha
3,000.
mo ang borderless na BB nga
Oh,
delete
4,
foil is 5.
Paborito mo karakter.
Pero ang sitaw gani,
Final.
Wala pa din si Sephiroth.
ang
Mahal
foil-
kayong Sephiroth.
Ang foil na borderless na BB 13.
Asa ka nakapalit Japan box? Japan.
Japan.
Ni Atomic Japan Anson. We booked a flight, we went to Japan, nangita mi og LGS, nagpalit big box ni uli mi all in a day. No joke, no cap.
No cap.
No cap chat. Hey man. You guys wanted me to be the Rizzler. I will be the Rizzler. The conversational Rizzler today. Hey man, this Giga Chad language core right now is the sauce. I'm gonna put the fries in the bag later, guys. No cap.
It's pleasing.
Mythic.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Nakuha na dyan.
Kani, this is Kwan Andrew. This is around 2728, almost 2,000. Vivi! What a box! Veve!
Gawas na dyan.
Ay wait, pila na lang ka boxes? We
Sulit
are
ba
boxes pila.
Sulit
1,
ba
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're 19.
Masulit kay Gis na ko palit.
Also, kani, this is like mga 30% na sa box.
Yeah.
Kani, 30% na sa
Napay,
box.
napay.
Dahil ibaligyan nato ni Kang Jao mga 2,000 goods na.
Alawa yan ni Jao.
Thank guys. Oy, thanks guys so much for watching. We are also live here day in Gogi House. If you guys are hungry for some Korean stuff, marami din eh. This is pack number. What the hell was that jet talk? Oh my god. Hi Jeric. Sorry, this is a new thing that we're trying to do. The language core here is so giving out Giga Chad energy
No.
that everyone else is feeling the Lulu.
Lolo.
And that's a sauce chat, no cap.
Huh?
Oh! Jao! 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 Oh, dear Lord! Di na ako makita imong Hans Carl Black, imong mat. Damn it, Anton. Hawa na diya, Carlo. That's the only art I need na lang. Magsabot mo ni Jao. Magsamot mo ni Jao. Aaron. Wait. Let me count sa pila. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So
18
ikaw
more to go.
13 na. That's the 13th. So let me put my newly acquired beautiful dice over there. 13 na lang.
Guys, he's been hunting for a long time.
Yeah, 13 na. So that's the 13th.
Okay.
Sorry, Jer.
Wala na anat sa
Wala
Rizzler.
na ano sa Rizzler. I am the conversational Rizzler, guys. Giving out the Lulu and Giga Chad energy everywhere, Ohio.
Sabo. Ano yung buntag Ohio?
It's part of it, I don't know.
Good offer.
Rare.
What is...
Kenrith.
Kenneth. Okay. Sacrifice. Stifle.
Stifle. Okay.
1 mana, additional cost, you sacrifice a legendary permanent or pay 2, Stifle.
Stifle.
Morning sakit po sa Magic players. Gabi kadaghan information ipansak sa
You
unaw.
have to remember.
Oh.
Everything.
When playing with these cards, di pwede mo search on what it does, ha? sakto just.
Dapat kabaw na kadaan.
Kabaw na kadaan. I have to prepare the conde. Kadit lang, guys.
Dita unsa-unsa ba nga
So, di siya pwede sa...
end step duress ba?
And step to rest.
Di siya pwede sa ingani nga kung ano.
What?
Kanang ingani nga magic.
Oh, pwede man.
Pwede
Pwede man. Ang sa Magic man god, no matter unsa na language imong madala, as long as the original card and pwede siya sa imong format, pwede nimo duwa.
Even if it's older print, as long
Oo.
as in format siya, pwede mo gamiton.
Yes, correct.
Mas sikat pa ka nga daan mong print.
Correct.
Mas mahal pa.
Mas mahal daw yan.
Mahal man daan.
Whoops.
And step the rest is my favorite. My personal favorite siguro kang Patrick or Bob na nonsense is kanang he did not attack because I had a vehicle in play. What's that? Arden.
Usurper.
The user. Inano yung art? Layo sa art, no?
Layo siyang art.
Limig eh.
Karon ka kitaan ng
Layo
art.
sa art. Interesting.
May sagol nga anime nga ko.
Naisagol anime. Tingnan na lang tala.
Ay, so nagbutang kag plug-in sa okay, sige. Ay. Ang plug-in, so di na ra gyud siya mo stay sa downloads, di na ko pwede siya ma-move.
Dili, pwede.
Kay if akong i-move ay or na-install na siya.
Na-install.
Sige, okay. Diyan na. Let's go.
Ang download file na lang na.
Yep.
Sunod mag dual screen ta.
Dual screen man gid ang best. Nagplano ba ako dala og kuan?
Pwede ganun ko sa pag-chat lang.
Ato lang yan na yung kuan. Anay lang ko lang.
Should have loaned you my Final Fantasy mat for this for our own team. Lagi. That would have been a great idea. Sige.
Jow, I should have taken your lightning.
Dili, Jaw. Sayop ka, Jaw. If you lent us the mat, it's not going back to you, sir. 5-finger dibs. Wala na line opera ba?
Wa pa ko'y nakuha lang ng opera. Duhara. Same pack ang duha.
Same pa. The barred arrow thingy. What's that?
No idea.
Brainstorm.
Brainstorm. Rare. Dark Crystal.
Okay.
But
So 16 na pa.
16.
Pack.
So 14 na lang naman din. Funny ang kuan no. Cut it sa. The packs here have this little hole sa obos, so you can like hang it in like a display sa like a supermarket.
Yeah.
Supermarket. Department store. Supermarket.
Okay, but who actually does that
Pucha.
stuff? Oh look, restoration magic.
Nice. Ato kus Metro palit og pack. Sorry, store.
Oh, ni diretso lagi.
Arden again.
Kani yung diretso nga rare.
Yeah, basunduhan na ka rin.
Oh, okay. Usually ang packs nandiyon doha sa career.
Then actually you replace niya ang foil
Ang
under
foil,
the land.
okay. Tulo 20.
Tulo ba yung tipiste? Sugot kay ko ana ba? Tulo ba yung tip? Dahil yung palitot.
Pobre ta sa iyo ano.
Pero
By
tagpila po
ten.
ng pack sa una.
Back in my day, yeah.
Yeah.
Boomer perspective. Back in my day, when I started Magic bro, ang isa ka inani na pack kay 140.
Autoro ko.
That was 2008.
400 wala.
2008.
Karon no?
Ang normal pack kay 300, kanilang kay medyo mahal.
Ang mga
Kay,
universes beyond.
oh, kanang mga
mahal sila.
mga kwan ba, kanang mga outside IP na gisulod sa Magic, mahal gid sila. So kani 500
Oh look,
siya.
Demon Wall.
Agay, Demon Wall. Demon Wall. In my day.
Back in my day. How old are you?
Balik na duwa, Angela. My goodness. Uy.
I
Uy, duha ka foil. Tulo ka foil?
Really siya.
The foil, it's shiny. The one under it is shiny.
No, that's the.
It's not shiny.
That's
Okay.
the kanang triangle na yun.
Shiny. Okay. Nonsense.
Nonsense.
Tagpila imong Overlord, Green Overlord. Na dito, just
Unsay mga
Okay.
mga collab nga
collab. For this year alone, correct me if I'm wrong, chat. This year is Final Fantasy SpongeBob. SpongeBob. No joke. SpongeBob. SLD.
SLD.
Deadpool.
did
Nine Marvel characters. Coming out this
Spider-Man.
September, Spider-Man.
Puta, no?
Coming out end of the year is Avatar. The Last Airbender.
Not the blue people.
Not the blue people. 1 year na sad.
no.
Wala pag yung rotation next year. So, daw kani nga set.
Ay, Sonic na pa day. Thank you, Ja, for the correct. We also
Right.
Sonic bago lang last week man yata or the week before. Sonic the Hedgehog.
Sonic the
So,
Hedgehog.
katong
Katong dagandagan
katong
na
live
Merca
series
lang.
o katong live action?
Dili live action.
Katong
Anime.
anime. So kani Japan exclusive lagi ni ka.
Dili siya Japan exclusive.
Language lang.
Language ang Japanese, correct? What is
What
that?
are you?
What? Wall of text dito pa sa...
Final Fantasy 4.
Wala.
Ifrit.
Eh?
Ifrit.
Ay? Okay. I'm also looking for the katong summon bears here.
What's yung sound bear na doon?
Katong rare na red na inani. Na inato. Ay, starting town, no?
Wala pa yung starting time, mas usa. Kung na yung starting time, gamito na.
Ha? Duta tanawon sa kwan. Duta tanawon sa lightning.
Lightning. Sorry na, Jaw, ka na lang kulang na
Ako
mo.
ni search na. Lightning.
Army.
Kasi nga na ni Army of
Army
One,
of
no?
One.
Lightning.
Army of Jaw.
Army.
Lightning Army of Jaw.
Borderless ba na siya?
Borderless.
Unsay?
Ano, opera love song na po daw, Jaw?
Ako ng Japanese. I want the Japanese. Unsay collector number sa Lightning?
400.
400.
Pwede mo.
Okay, lahi di ay. The other one is $30. $30. $30 na nidaan, bro. Kanina
Mythic
card.
token.
Kani.
Mythic.
$30. Mythic? Ay,
Mythic.
slow roll it. No, not from the bottom. From the bottom. From the bottom. Power toughness.
3.5. Say 3.5.
What's the color?
Blue.
Blue? Ano?
Ay!
Ay! Bilat.
Before na ako kinsa.
Okay.
Genova.
Genova. Genova, mupuli ni
Gusto na yung matawag.
Kinsa mo puli sa... Kinsa puli ni Genova?
Shelly.
Siya mo puli kang Shelly. Pero...
Siguro.
sa
Shelly
Bulgari-
or that new black one from Con.
Pero sa Bulgari, yun. Kay... Dili na makuha sa mono.
Wailain, no? Hindi siya makuha sa manog black.
Kana mga common or kana dili kayo valuable, pakata ka na.
Naiuban na magamit. Naiuban na magamit, naiuban dili.
Dyan na.
We just keep it in a pile somewhere until someone wants to buy it or something.
Yep.
Inani ang more gyapon siya mining bitaw mo kailangan nimo tangtangon mga pangit na cards to get a good card.
Yeah. Always hope for the better ones.
Ay, wait.
Sabi ko.
What?
I forgot what you are.
Irrelevant. Done.
Fire Crystal.
So we are at our last 10 packs.
Let's see, just to confirm.
Last
3,
10 packs should be.
6, 10.
Kaya
10
fantasy
packs to
pero
go.
katong 8-bit fix.
Oh na icon.
Na may mga cards. Katong bago na
Battle na
What
to.
8-bit dong kan?
8-bit to nga art.
Naiuban na 8-bit.
Na uban 8-bit nga art yapon ang ginagamit kay kana magyud ang
Luwa as VV.
only art nila. At least ako na tag-video tapos kita sa pa.
Yan.
Pangita mo ang tanaw sa pero
Yeah, it's gonna be hard to con.
yeah.
Well, we have 9 packs. We don't know what can come out of that.
Yeah.
If not, then
If na din na,
Wag na.
wala de.
we're good. Okay naman to. Okay naman to.
Yeah.
Sulit na kay.
Baligyan ng kanang lightning kang Jao daw maka. Gisbil. Sorry Jao, I love you.
Rare.
Still 9 players, Realm Reborn.
Yeah.
9 players, 9 viewers today. Thank you guys for joining us this lovely Monday afternoon. Yep.
Monday.
Kalimot ay kog dala mo anim day sinat on niya mga 6 kay iyang iuli ang
Red or
sleeves.
blue?
Di, ang
sleeves.
sleeves of
Namalit
Paco.
ka siya bago?
Yeah.
Finally. First complaint ni Carlo on sleeves.
Oo, yun sa man tong tennis sleeves kaya. So, mag-selling post siguro later or something if you want to sell. Ay, magsabot mo nila.
Sabat kami naman siya gusto ko.
Sige. No problem.
Sword.
Oy, birdie.
Birdie.
I'm ng birdie.
Give me the bird.
Give me the bird. Ay, oh, fire magic. Ay, kanino? Barbaro.
Eh?
Barbaro.
Huh?
What's that?
Mythic nga.
Ay, mao niya, 8-bit oh. They added 8-bit
Ah,
to the
oh.
art.
Nice.
Saan?
Battle menu ang naman.
Sa kanya.
What's that?
Mythic nga. I don't know. LUR.
Nice na, gi-upgrade ka pa nila
What?
sa itong karaan.
Who are you?
Pangita yun dabi. Ang sa ikoda niya. Sa upo naman sa ubos.
Who are you?
Mythic siya na...
Ay, wait. Sige, who are you?
Mythic na 35.
Sa mga
Sa
surplus
Puto
nga,
Rare.
sa mga surplus nga,
The dog.
Ah, the dog. The surplus na. Oh, na yung mga
mga
inana.
Japan ba, daghang yung makita lang yan.
Dagan magigay naman sa surplus. Sa ako. Gabi mo kay sila mamalit dito.
Mga lang yun, kaya panghatag
Saka
lang.
to, no? I'm curious ano ang
Ang-
concept. Wala yung kwan. Wala yung
Mythic na
Joshua.
35.
kwan man to. From the other
Sa FCA, magod siya.
si Asia. This is Commander the Kajut lang guys, na curious mi unsa to na card. Diba sa moment?
Saka siya.
Ah, there we go.
Geeks?
Geeks to?
No, I don't think so. Geeks. Yung Wolf Creator.
Ay, mo ba?
Oh.
Hindi
Okay,
to ba
kayo.
isa, no?
Oh, Geeks lagi. The Shadow Lord.
Anim, kuan, more siya sago, anime, o
Oh.
Hindi, gikuan man siya sa tanan
Yung
Final
art is the
Fantasy.
Shadow Lord. Yeah. Yung
Oh.
card is Geeks.
Gi-separate lang og kuan. Nindot to na kuan. Nindot to na card.
Yeah.
I don't know what pack are we at.
I don't know what pack you're at now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 more to go.
8 more to go. Sige go.
Nasa ka dali.
Sige, sir. Eh.
Genova. Mythic.
Uy! Slow roll! Power toughness.
Wala.
Damn. Mythic?
Mythic na wala yung power toughness.
Color.
White.
Sure ka white na?
There's no blue border or anything. White or colorless.
It's not Bahamut kay na power toughness
Na may
ito.
power toughness. Saka ni.
Sige daw.
Equip to.
Ay, katong kwan! Yes!
Or
Yes!
yeah.
Woo!
Okay.
Dog na. Wala
Wala
na.
Art the Penrier.
Ay, na ba ganda yan?
Gibira ulit so.
Ah,
Penrier.
Wala na.
Wala na.
You made more than 70% of your money ba?
Yep. Which is more than we can hope for sometimes.
Gani. Separate one time para
Separate lang.
Dog.
Tingnan mo kung mythic
Woo!
colorless.
Buster Sword. Palita akong cloud para Paris ay mo ka. Buster Sword.
Kitsa na si?
Justin. Atay just.
Sige,
Pwede, tolo dos.
Sige na, fair lang ko.
Tulo 20.
TCG times 20 lang.
Times 20 daw just. Hoping ito sa Bahamut.
I was hoping it was a Bahamut too.
Kitlins.
Get lens mo. Lisod sad magdala kog 50. Nangita di ko sa Tifa na art card.
Wow, kita.
Nangita.
Diyan. Or artwork na.
Kuan ni siya, ang tawag ani kay art card.
Rare.
Murag pang
Rare
pataban
na
ba na kuan mga art sa card.
Mga Furion. Furion.
Mabalik yata niya ni.
Naiuban niya na mahal.
Ano?
Naiuban na.
Primal Odin.
Okay. Odin.
Nice robo.
Imo na. Naka-remembrance for today.
Thanks.
I'm actually looking at this card. I want this to con. Every combat target creature gets plus 2 plus 0 in haste.
In haste. Yeah, so actually pretty good bitaw siya, pero like I don't know how to
Mahal na
slot it
kayo
into
at
the deck.
mahal na kayo at 3 mana.
Yeah. Late pod. If like,
I don't want it to flip.
yeah. Siguro that's why nindot siya, kay it won't last forever niya mo flip.
Ay, na kay Tifa na art card katong yellow ang likod.
Pangita ni
Yeah, need it for
Carlo Gamboa.
my tokens.
Yeah, because that is his token.
His what? What?
Square roots.
We have still 7 people watching.
FCA nga rare, and it is I don't know what you are.
Sana.
FCA nga 061.
Let me see that. Squalda is Danitha.
Ah, Danita.
Danitha.
Ah, yeah.
What is that?
061. I have no idea.
Ay, okay. Altar of Crystal of Altar Cave. Chromantic
Oh,
Lantern.
chromatic lantern.
Okay, kayo. Chromatic
Rare
Lantern.
na po ito sa blue.
Gamit Ranzo.
Yeah. Blue 4-5. Rare. I have no idea who you are.
Ay, si Coin Flipper.
Ah, coin flipper. Okay.
Coin Flipper.
Ah.
Pila na packs na bilhin?
4.
5.
5. So, we're at 25.
We are at 25. 5 more. Separate lang.
Sephiroth ang one time.
One time. Separate or cloud? Okay na po.
Sephiroth, Cloud, Knights of the Round, Bahamut.
Yes.
Or another VV.
Or another VP. You know,
Another
another VP.
Another VP. Why
is
not?
good
Why not?
too.
Kani good by staple naman kayo sa good.
Yeah.
Atay ka na
Tanan,
card mo.
dagan kay formats.
Self-destruct.
Self-destruct.
Shit.
Gikuha rin so.
Shit.
Kabalo man si Carlo. Nga,
We got a Cecil, right?
Yes, we got a
Okay,
Cecil.
okay.
Kabalo man si Carlo, dili ko kabudulag red. So, pa.
No, red.
Weapons vendor.
Eh,
Rare.
Yukta.
Yeah, this is the katong
Mo flip into
transforming,
something.
yeah. And then the UFO.
Pupu.
Upo.
Pupu. Right.
Down to the last 4.
On to the last 4. Sephiroth lang one time.
Sephiroth
Sephiroth
lang
lang
one
one time. Uy! 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 Ay, di tayo mo.
Nope.
Forgot what that was. Ay, why buot?
Oh,
Wag yun ay buot. Pangit yan na ng card. I wanted to try to make it work with the pangit.
it doesn't work sa deck.
You give it back, manggod.
Ah, really?
You give it to an opponent.
Amo na siya katong si Alexios sa
Mm.
Assassin's Creed.
May damage, oh. Ay, it's just the art card. $27.
27. Last 3 packs.
Tuta na box, eh. Pupo.
Oh. Rare.
Yes!
Nakausa na dyan sa T-Town.
Starting town, ladies and gentlemen. What's the other guy? ICX that? Yay. So, Sulit.
Sulit.
Sulit na box.
Sulit na box.
Sulit na box.
Ako nagbahay.
Sulit naman. I think he made his money back man.
Somewhat.
Kani 800 man eh.
Yeah.
Ang kaya no?
Kung mabaligya ang lightning ni Jao, okay kayo. Wala na.
One more. One more inside and
Okay.
it's 2 packs left.
One more inside.
One more
Okay.
inside.
So 29th na siya.
Yes, 29. Okay.
Uy,
Fire magic. Gibera diretso. Dili man unta selling. Ay, dili man selling.
di ba selling?
Di ba?
Wala siya. Forceful donation. Forceful donation.
Balik na.
Ayun, no, you can still pull traveling chocobo po din.
Yeah.
The fuck is that shit?
This is, I forgot.
Wall of text and
Wall of text.
masay likod po.
Yes. Sa yung mga likod.
Naiuban cards na flip.
Flip card.
Kay based on Final Fantasy, mga daghan kay mga like character
They
change.
either summon or they transform.
Oh, so,
Pero si Vincent, ma-transform man na siya werewolf na ako kasabot vampire mo ka siya.
last
Last one. Separate lang.
So, okay.
last pack magic. That's
Last
what
pack
it is.
magic.
Last pack magic. Yeah. I really like my
You see how the microphone is set up?
microphone. So I don't have to be bringing that stand. I can just find the cup, put it in. Last pack magic.
Reno and Rude.
Not the starting.
Not a starting town.
They have very similar art. That's
Labo?
annoying.
So,
Very very
so,
similar art.
Last pack.
Right.
Safe for that.
FCA nga uncommon.
I don't know. That doesn't matter. Ah!
Rare.
Ah. Damn it. Uy! All right. Okay. Put it. Let's put it. Let's get the hits. The hits. Separate the hits.
Let's say.
Separate. No. Just the main hits. Lang.
Yeah.
So we have VV. We have that. The Yuna.
The Buster Sword.
The Yuna. I don't know what else on my. Kanang Chocobo siguro. Ay, that one.
Na-appreciate ba? Geeks?
That should have. Yeah, that's one. No way that I can have another kwan. Wala, no?
You can save these to kanang collection.
Collection. Ay, saan mag-save?
That's a collection.
Okay.
Name your
Okay.
collection. Selling.
David cards. Okay. Then what's that? Yuna. Yuna, what's her name? Shit, Grand Summoner.
Yuna, what's her name? It's in Japanese.
Nga. Buster Sword. Buster Sword. Geeks.
Geeks.
Ano to? Geeks.
Yogmot something.
Yogmont Crater. Ay, Geeks was in the pre-con sa Dragon Storm.
Yeah.
Kaya good.
And it's back again in FCA sa Final Fantasy.
Dili makita din niya.
Down sa Geeks.
Oh.
Shadow Lord.
Shadow Lord.
Shadow Lord.
One word.
Shadow Space Lord.
Wag gihapon.
Really?
Wala. Weird.
Shadow Lord.
there, shit, fuck. The
Shadow Lord.
atay. Uy, $9.
Nagidigi ako siya presyo.
$9. Uy, nabaratos Yuna, dibs. Yuna is less expensive now, dibs. Starting town. And then reveal. Unsa pa? Wala na may lain mo?
Ano naman na eh? $3 or din si Ardit.
Si Lars na siya. Dayon, we have Cecil.
Sis.
Cecil has price.
Butang naman sa Chocobo dia.
I don't know say name na Chocobo. Puta.
Chocobo nga 215.
Isa. Chocobo na... Chocobo.
Chocobo.
Give me a sec.
Fan na game mo na or official game mo?
Official yun.
Official gini sila.
Official.
Like partner man with
Oh.
Final Fantasy.
Ay, ang kani nga site ba?
Aka nga
Ay,
site.
kanina site. This is not an official site.
No.
One lang siya, third party.
Yeah.
Mga fan, mag-fan or fan.
Oh.
Mungkin sa like
Scan guro nila.
scan.
Dini ko gatanaw gid cards. That Chocobo is not here.
Multicolor nga Chocobo.
Yes. Standard legal na card pero it's never here. Pocha.
Okay.
Ay, mo. Taba kayo. Ay.
Wala.
Katong game mo
Chocobo
ito
Secret
nga
of
site ba?
Paradise.
Kinagro niya ito.
Ah?
Chocobo Secret of Paradise na siya. Wala ni siya ay presyo.
Colors white, blue, green.
Scent, mga scent.
Kaning Erit,
Wala na eh.
tapila man ng Erit. 89
Choco Secret Paradise.
89 cents siya.
Sensor siya?
Yeah, sensor siya. Mas mahal siya sa
Ay,
una.
Nonsense. Sense. Na blue is around Hope of Spira.
Kani pa rin ka na akong price check.
Ay, oh, the
Wala,
Aries.
tapila? $12.
Okay, tayo. Aries. Inana,
Borderless.
what's the spelling Aries?
AERITH.
Yo.
Dayon, katong kwan daw, katong kanina.
Unsa? Ito
Ano
isto
daw?
la?
I'll check. Ay, puta.
Ay, pamalikas di ka. First news stream pa ni mo Twitch. Pamalikas na dito.
This is not my first stream on Twitch. Lo, di lagi mo. Nasa ikwan? Asa ang kani?
That, I don't know.
Asa ang
Apostrophe?
apostrophe?
Na apostrophe sa hapon?
Ay, son of a motherless goat. Ay, hindi. Oh, here. It's after the Y. Ah, de. Pinakauna ni Gawas. $6.
Yeah, $6.50.
So, I have Yuna, Buster Sword, Gix, Starting Town, Vivi, Cecil, Aerith, what's yung Sky Shark? Yustola. Si-
$3 na si Arden. Kani, wala may?
Jitor.
Jitor.
Abro din sa.
Yeah, nakalagyan.
Pila tong Mako? Full art ba na Mako, no?
Full art sa Mako foil.
Ay, no, that's Midgar.
Midgar.
City of Mako.
Yes.
Holy shit, it has a price.
Really?
Holy shit, almost $8. Midgar is like $1. Kuan ka, amigo? Wala na, no.
So, wala eh.
Hindi, skip natin. That's $1.
Wala na ata.
Ay, oh, that chromatic one.
Matic lantern?
Hmm.
Nasa episyo?
Ay, oh, I was also looking for a Dark Confidant. Wala yung gawa.
Wala ni gawas. Sadly.
So, ngalan ano?
Nice.
It's
Karaan
like,
yung art style.
Karaan art style. Crystal of Alter Cave.
Nice. Sa normal nga,
Uy, $7 gyapon.
Kinsa si?
The crystal.
Really?
Oh. Di kayo.
nasa mga non-border nga, normal na ako.
Ano sa'yo non-border? What do you mean
Sa kaling
non-border?
ako.
What do you mean non-border?
Ay, kanang wala, katong prato ba? Wala.
Oh yeah, o kani same ani. Ang normal ani kay different art. Ay kanang Odin, mahal ng Odin.
Kaya $8 man na nga ati.
What? The what? What's that?
Kendrick.
Oh, okay. Sa Kenrith The Return King?
The Return King and Noctis na art.
Wow!
Dako siya. Wow, ka expect.
Wow! $8, okay.
Yeah.
The Cecil you forgot the Cecil.
Yes. The
Ay, na Ultima.
Yes, Cecil and Ultima. Tapad sila doon.
Ultima, yawa, less than $1 na is Ultima.
Yeah, pero still important card.
173 times 50. Almost major money ba?
Yeah, almost. I don't. Yeah.
Bawi
Okay kayo, okay. At least ba?
Bawi.
Bang, oh, yapon. Doon ra kaayo kumpara sa kung 15 ako papalit sa box.
Samot. Agay gid.
Lagi.
86%.
Oh, 86%.
Not including all of the other random stuff sa mga uncommons, commons. Okay na ba?
Yan eh. Balik yapon nimo. Pwede ra gyapon. Okay ra gyapon.
Okay guys.
Ug i-upload na nimo.
Oh, nag-ano si Ryan na fire. Ay, Ryan, hello Ryan. Good evening. Thank you. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining the stream. Fire
Libo ka, baligya ba nimo?
Fire Crystal.
Oh, lagi.
Did we get the black crystal?
Darkness Crystal. Yes, we did.
Sigo. Kita ra, do tayo.
Fire crystal is $4. Darkness crystal is $3. What else did we get?
Zack, I don't think Zack has a price. You have two of the Excalibur 2s.
Excalibur. Sense. Nonsense.
Napa, foil opera lang sa Joe.
Ay, Jao! Ay, anong Jao Jao? Anong Jao Jao?
Gibira ni Carl.
Battery
Anong Jao Jao? Anong...
exhausted na.
La? Really a good. Oh, okay. It's okay, it's okay.
Oh.
Ay, okay. Ang akong gipansak, dili at full bat.
Carlo.
Carlo, nagkinongkrong. Ang gipansak nako dili ang full bat na battery.
Sa battery yung ipansa.
Ang nana niya daan. These are the two that I charged. Uy, in fairness, taas-taas.
Oh,
Almost an hour ba yan?
Oh.
We're back.
We're back.
We're back. Apologies
We're back.
for the
Apologies.
technical
Foil, para foil
difficulties.
ako set. No! Go away, Ja.
Ugly datli yung magyapon siya. Joke, hapon man.
Oh, ugly duckling, hapon mo yan. Kaya dangle in front of him. Bitaw, ikaw. Sabar na tani. Hindi mo ko hangulan eh. I don't mind. Because you got 2 man there, right?
3 total.
3
Two
total.
non-foil,
Tani,
one
jaw ni
foil.
padulong. Ay, hati ang advantage. I just remembered. Sige lang, not important.
And
Okay ra, 70% of your deck is Japanese. Mao ba? Dili uy. 30% siguro of your deck is Japanese, apil ang lands. Kaya gipost man to nimo imong deck list, di ba? Akong ma-remember lang na Japanese nimo is katong tulo ka Manifold Mouse and the lands. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, Ja. Ay, dili katong Shocks are
yeah, the
Japanese.
shocks are Japanese.
Shocks are Japanese.
Dili man siya Japanese mo ang burst lightning.
The Lynx is not a Japanese.
Lynx is not Japanese.
Monastery, or I don't know if he
It still has Swiss Pat.
That's just fair.
Or dili man Japanese.
Dili siya 70%. I don't think, based on the picture that you sent recently, I don't think 70% imong Japanese ang sleeves.
Pila ning mogul.
Barato na mogul kwan man na, mogul something. Mogul's Valor. Barato ako, sense. 180 ba eh?
Oh,
Yuna, Buster Sword, ay ato ni E. Ato ni E.
in order
High
na
to low.
with,
So, first is your VV.
of course.
Next is, oh, hindi na ako si VV in fairness. $50 na lang siya.
Mhm.
Mogul's Valor, Buster Sword, Starting Town, Aerith,
Mas taas lugar sila kumpara kang lightning.
Shadow. Ay! Ay!
Wani mo nabutas lightning no? Tingnan ko, naglista na siya quiz siya. Niuna ng
Oh my God.
Ya wala si lightning.
Unsa ganito?
Borderless sa lightning.
The number.
400.
This one, no?
Yes, yes.
Shit.
Yo, as
Fuck.
lightning.
$200 ba eh?
Ha?
$200 na ka with the lightning.
Ah,
Oh,
with the-
What the?
profit na ka.
Oh, profit na.
Our boy profited, guys.
Man.
Our boy
So,
has
sa kakuan?
profited.
This one?
This one. Nakapasa
Okay,
ka.
balik. VV Buster starting.
Di, i-sort siya balik kay nasa sa pinaka-ubos.
VV Buster Lightning.
Lightning.
Paldo.
Starting Town.
Aerith.
Aerith.
Palduha eh.
By 5s na lang.
Yeah, by 5. That's why.
I-move to that direction. Move naman in that direction. Sige. Good. VV Buster Lightning, Starting Town, Aerith, Gix, Kenrith,
Yan, alright.
Midgar,
Taas na yung Midgar yun.
7, almost $8. Chromatic Lantern, Tishola Raw,
If
Tishola Raw, Yuna Dibs,
yun na tips.
Yuna last name Dibs, Fire Crystal, Cecil Dibs. Wala na moral high ground yan.
Nahuman na yung
Wala na high ground.
Sa gusto niyo mo, English, Hapon.
Jitor, ano po?
Tayo sa $20.
Ultima.
Paldo.
Ano?
Nalimu ko sa lightning. Sorry, Jao. I really forgot about the lightning. I'm very sorry. Forgot
Yes.
about it. Okay. Well, the Darkness Crystal is before Jidor.
Before Jidor.
After Cecil. Okay. Pwede ni mo i-stack na lang.
Yeah,
Ano yung
pwede
stock?
natin. I-start pa natin sila para.
Okay, kayo.
Di magyapa din yung mabasa, hapon man.
A lot of good cards by Yagi.
Yeah.
Pero I don't think any of these are
Ganito.
worth anything anymore.
2.
I think this is the Ninja Blade.
Musa?
Ninja Blade ni siya. Kung wala ko na sa'yo.
Pesos na? Ito.
2 pesos.
Kunin mo ito.
Who is this guy?
Which one? Furion.
Hindi siya lang detect. So, ano na nini?
Furion.
F
I-R-I-O-N.
I-R-I-O Swordmaster. Wild Rose?
Wild Rose.
Yeah. Basura. When ang rotation? Hi Ryan, rotation will happen officially August 1. So there will be one more weekend this weekend for standard games.
Before rotation.
Yeah.
Pero
That will be the weird week because that week of pre-release until August 1 everything is legal.
everything is still
So
legal.
that's very a weird 1 week.
Yeah. Pero sige lang, you know, you get to use some of the cards you won't be able to use anymore with the new ones. Pero
Kay
depends.
sa game ang sa among format there's something called rotation. Na yung uban cards na dili na pwede gamiton.
So malimited yun yung pool.
Mas
Challenge gapon.
Challenge yapon siya.
ka kay Bandex
Me-
magumba.
medyo dako ni na rotation compared last time because daghan mga nindot na cards na mawa gyud.
Yeah.
Han kay
Pero
So senyora na nga. Circle nga ay ka naman nga player.
of course other formats can use the cards gyapon, which is what drives the price up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero like, what do you call this? Sige na lang, for the next 2 years, dako po kay atong pool.
Hmm. When mo stabilize ang meta after rotation, dugay pa na Ryan. After pre-release, siguro a week or so or two until the first Pro Tour.
Yeah.
Or either the first ano say tawag ni Spotlight series, which is the new Grand Prix or the Spotlight series, that then the Pro Tour. Siguro mo stabilize ang meta after the Pro Tour. Kaya na yung mga large tournaments, ang Spotlight ginagmay hindi siya dako siya, pero ang pinakadako gyud is ang Pro Tour. Dinagit mo ang mga best of the best maghimog decks inana. Yeah, so kana Ryan, if you're still looking at going into standard, the best time siguro is right after rotation. And you can do that by joining our PR.
This coming August 2.
We will give me a sec, guys. Ay wait, numbers is August, never mind. Yun sa tunako. Shit. Yeah, guys. Aside from this, we have an announcement of our pre-release. Give me a second. Let me get that out. We have our pre-release, guys. We have our Edge of Eternity's pre-release here at the Gogi House this August 2 p.m. at the Gogi House. Price is 2.7, which includes, of course, 1 meal courtesy of the Gogi House. First place gets 3 additional packs and a special prize. Second place gets 2 additional packs. The extra pack you will get for the pre-release, you will get after the pre-release. Take home is also available. PM us lang for if you want to have a take home for your if you're not available to play on the day. Take home is also available. So yeah, we're announcing this now. We usually do our pre-release after the LGSs have their pre-release because again we're not the LGS. We're working on that, guys. Yes. So hope you guys enjoyed. We have been streaming for a good an hour, which is great. More than I could ask for. 1 hour. I'll just put this. Nawa. Yep. So, any show your face. Hello. Any final thoughts about the opening? How was that for you?
Wasn't what I expected. Was honestly being a little bit pessimistic about it, but turned out better than I hoped. Diba?
Ooh.
Overall, anyway.
Alright. So, your pulls were not that bad.
Not that bad.
If we add everything on this table, you made your money back.
Yeah.
Ni profit ka if you sell these.
If I sell this.
Kaniyo, sell this to Jao 10,000. Good na good.
Lagi.
Hi,
Profit
Jao.
na dito, aban.
Hi, Jao. 10,000, Jao. Ito, I know, magsabot pa mo ni Jao, ani.
Yeah.
This is worth it na.
Yeah.
That's worth it na. And the VV, of course.
Yeah, the VV, of course. Then you have the Buster
VV,
Sword.
The Buster Sword, easy sell.
Yeah.
Appeal. Ano siya?
Wala siya appeal.
Wala siya appeal.
Kinhuman na more
Walay
high ground ni
tifa.
Carlo.
Jao, that's the thing. That's what it is in box openings. We're looking for certain cards. Depende rin ginang sa imong gawas.
Zero Tifas, man.
Zero
I can't do anything
Tifas.
about it.
No Tifas, no summon, blah blah blah. A lot of cards that didn't came out, pero we can't complain. It's a good pull.
Yeah.
Plus, we did not. Unsay tagan ni?
We did not price the uncommons.
Not price. We did not consider. We
Yeah.
did not include the uncommons and commons here that may be useful.
Yeah, so some uncommons and commons ironically have more price than rares. So
Yeah. So, kuha na ni siya. This is just a bonus on top of it.
yeah.
It's not the level of Sam. Damn you, Sam. It's not the level of Sam na like double his money or whatever.
Gani.
Pero
Like-
this is a good box for how much you got for it. So yeah. Ikaw, we have our friend din sa Kilid who helped us with the production, si Andrew. Ikaw, Andrew, unsa imong mas say sa imong na experience?
Sa mga.
Like unsa imong like
Paldo.
this is not
Paldo kayo.
Oh, ba.
Nice gigi ka ng for 10 for sa katong set.
Pero akong palitan nga box.
So sa katong nga kuan, murag na boy or jutanan gid ni kuan.
Lagi.
Nice,
Boy, good siya.
nice pool kayo.
Nice. So, we will be doing this again for Edge. We will probably come to an accord or something, but we will be doing this for Edge.
Yeah.
Because this is good content. I used to do it for kanang kanang bundles, pero di malas kay ko mag-abre. Malason ko sa mag-abre. That's why siya ako give-abre. malason kay ko mag-abre pack. So
Kana,
yeah.
Pila na siya?
Ano $12?
Alright.
$12 at ba?
12.
$12 lagi.
Ang iyang normal kay kuan.
Normally kay 8 naman ata.
Iyang normal kay yawa.
Pila? 2. Yagi. Kana gid ang mga borderless arts magkabilang silang price. Ay, 2 man dili kay gipalit na ito kanat.
Nako kay difference the way it's printed.
Like-
Kay ang normal ani $2, kani 12.
Kani is $29.99.
Ayun.
Pero yung regular price is 20. Ay difference gid sa gap. Kaya ang regular na lightning 20 naman ata or sila
16.
no, ni lower yun day. So,
Ang katong gipangita ni Jao, siya gyud ang pinakamahal.
unsa?
Katong favorite art ni Jao ba? 46.
Yeah.
Paldo.
Ang pre-release ang $63.
Oh, pre-release stamp man.
At least ma-complete akong collection of lightning. Siya, congratulations Jao.
Yeah.
Yeah, baga kay siya na. I was honestly sad for Jao that he was not able to he joked us that he was not able to get the playmat. Motherfucker actually did buy the playmat.
I already knew, he told me.
Yeah. I didn't know because when I saw it, I said, "Ay, ate, I have to screenshot send to Jao."
Yeah,
That's what I was
Kaya
thinking.
it was lightning.
Ang iyang first message, iyang first reply was, "Okay, wakoy
cash.
budget,
May
wakoy budget." Blah blah ako kay. That's bullshit. Jao, wala budget. Nakaingon yung ko dito, Jao, ay budget.
Yeah, kalit di check po sa GC nga sold out na.
Sold out
Mahay
na,
daw yun.
may sad-sad ako kay. Ako personally na sad ko kay. Yeah, I know how much he wanted that playmat. Next post na. That's why I deserve this. I deserve this. I take it back. I'll take this for myself. I take it back. I felt honestly among amigo man good. Kanina art iyang gusto. Kani
May playmat man good.
Why? Morning art. Same card ato.
Ani.
Same card ani pero morning art. Ganahan kay sa ani na art as in ganahan gini ang art. Nangita siya playmat, same inani ba playmat. Na inani nag-send ko niya na oy na shop sa Manila nagbaligya. 24 man siguro 24. Akong gi-send niya yung screenshot. Ang iyang next response kay wala ko'y budget. Dahil after mga 5 days ana siya na sold out na ako kapalit. Diba? Ako as a friend, nasad ko kay I know how much he wanted it. Next post na yun, ang picture na nasa yung lamisa. Siya rin nakapalit. Yawa fucking shit. I deserve this. Ay naglam na yung tabagay drawn by art director Final Fantasy 13 manggod. Okay, sige Jao. Well, lagi that's a thing about Magic what in terms of what you unsay mong preference in terms of art ba. So ako personally I like I like first prints. As much as I can, I mangita akong first prints. I'm so happy someone sold me 3 ka first print na Dark Confidant.
Kulang pa ka usa?
Na first print. Pero okay na gusto lo. I don't want to be an asshole and have 3 Dark Confidant that will kill me. So I can sell you 1 Dark Confidant. Right, I think this is it. Any questions from the chat? Come on chat, any questions? Or I will continue being a Giga Chad and continue doing this Delulu language core. No cap chat.
No cap.
Saning na line question di I see Ryan. Kanusa ang next Pro Tour? I do not know yet when the next Pro Tour will be, but somewhere August. It's usually the month after 3 weeks after pre-release ang Pro Tour. Torn between Dimir and Azorius. Unsa na Dimir or Azorius? Ay, di na ko mutabang nimo, di makamo dawas akong tabang. Fuck you, Ryan. Okay, thank you, Aaron. We have our Pro Tour association with MagicCon events. Okay. Wala na. It doesn't say, wait. No.
September.
Di pwede September kay dili pwede September kay September kanang September mao nang Spider-Man.
Karon na nga, September?
Oh, Spider-Man na dili na kuan. Dili na Pro Tour Edge. Pro Tour Edge should be August.
Wala gibutang gyud.
Alaina sa feeling no.
Oh.
Ang one thing that's been bugging me this year mangyud Andrew is ang sets kani mga sets dapat upat ra gyud per year. One per quarter para maka-recover pa mi sa gasto ba.
Sa Magic GG gyud nakabutang sa.
Gidali release. Gidali release.
Karon na year 6. Sakit kay sa buot kay every other month kay magpalit na pud bag-o.
So mo ni latest kanang
Dili ni latest. Ang latest mo gawas next week.
Next week.
Or no, wrong. This week.
This week.
This week.
Adi, PR pa. Pero
PR
official
pa.
release next
Yes,
week.
Next week. Nanay pa kung mga space opera yung space.
Dili lang Star Wars o Star
Mga
Trek.
magic in space.
Sci-fi nga kon.
High science fiction, correct. Usually magud magic when you say magic, it's mostly on high fantasy na gaming like spells, witches, whatever, dragons and
Kita mo siya nagkabo iterdip nagsakyan mo lagi.
Ang recent sets magud mga we call it hat sets. Pasabot sa hat set. Magic pero nagwear og detective hat. Magic pero nagwear og cowboy hat. Magic pero nagsakay og racing car.
Naka-helmet.
Naka-helmet.
So every card kay unique ug kon,
Unique yun siya.
Unique yun siya,
Happy about my
Kapul
life.
sura nagkaano kanang
The amount of information you have to put in your head. Like kani.
Si Cecil.
Cecil. I forgot the one. 1 black human knight. 2/3 death touch. Whenever Cecil deals combat damage, you lose that much life. Then if you have less than or equal to your starting life total,
Half of your starting
lagi,
life.
sakto lagi. Less than or equal to half of your starting life total, untap it and transform. Cecil, blah blah blah. Redeem Paladin, Human Knight, Legendary Creature, Human Knight, 4/4, lifelink. Whenever Cecil attacks, other attacking creatures you control gain indestructible until end of turn. So you have to put that in your head. I honestly can't do the others. Kay
Mas ultima?
white 3 sorcery, destroy all creatures and artifacts end the turn.
pawitihay lang iko ano
You have to kailangan ka mag-vacate og space sa imong head
Yeah.
to remember the cards.
Kanina, usa sa pinakalis ma-remember.
Kani I don't remember this.
Kani si Kenrit. All of text.
Ang red kay all creatures get +1 and haste and trample. That's all I remember.
Sure ka red, no? Kaya
The red
ang
one.
+1 kay nasa green.
Ay?
Ang +1 nasa green.
The red is haste and trample. Should be. Yeah. You have to fucking look for the
English.
and-
Kasi lang, they still look nice even though they're
I think
Japanese.
it look nice. Congratulations on the box.
Thanks.
It's a good box.
Yeah.
It's a good box. How many viewers na nabili?
Could have been worse.
Could have been worse. Oh, I guess that's the best we can hope for.
Yeah.
It could have been worse. Alright, thank you guys so much for joining us today. This has been Hennessy, hello, thank you for joining us today. Ausma, sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Thank you for joining us. Nicholas is in the chat. Hello, Nicholas. Red is haste, -1 for red. Pay ability to create a copy. Huh?
He
What
plays
is it,
Kenrit. So
I think he's talking about that. No, we were talking about Kenrith, Nicholas. We were not talking about the red crystal. the fire crystal, whatever.
Yeah, Fire Crystal.
Yeah, we were talking about one. Thank you for joining us, Nicholas. We're about to end, unfortunately. So yeah. Let me know, guys, if you enjoy this kind of content. Magical Papers has been our one of our fun what you call this fun magic inspired series here on the channel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Hoping to do more magic stuff. We will be doing this again for Edge of Eternities. We will have our stream for pre-release on Edge of Eternities as well. Again, this has been Aaron. Thank you, Aaron. This has been Andrew in the background, helping up set up our dual stream. I have not checked the Twitch. Oh, wala ako. Wag yun. Mingaw kayong
Well,
Twitch.
start from you guys.
Start from man, sir.
Yeah, so
Yep. And Andrew, thank you very much for fixing our streams that we can finally do dual streaming. Has been something that I didn't know I think was possible in my level, but thanks to him, we're doing that right now. Please also check out my say Tabo. What's Tabo in English? My Tabo stream. My birthday is this Friday. I will be streaming on Thursday evening. I will be streaming the game that I've been wanting to stream for so long, Crash Bandicoot. It's about time. Then I might have a raffle at the end of that stream. For Magic players, I will be giving out a pack. For non-Magic players, I might be giving out just cash or Gcash, whatever. Right. Thank you guys. Bye bye.